The benefits of turmeric for back pain relief. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice derived from the root of the Curcuma longa plant, has long been celebrated in traditional medicine for its healing properties. One of its most well-known benefits is its ability to relieve inflammation and pain. In recent years, turmeric has gained attention as a natural remedy for back pain, a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. From acute injuries to chronic conditions like arthritis and degenerative disc disease, back pain can significantly impact daily life. Turmeric offers a promising natural alternative for managing this discomfort without the side effects often associated with pharmaceutical drugs. At the heart of turmeric's healing power is curcumin, its primary active compound. Curcumin has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help reduce the inflammation often linked to back pain. Inflammation in the muscles, joints, or spinal structures is a common cause of both upper and lower back pain. By targeting inflammatory pathways in the body, curcumin can ease this pain and promote better mobility. Several studies support the effectiveness of curcumin in pain relief. Research has shown that curcumin may be as effective as some non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and NSAIDs in reducing pain and inflammation, but without the gastrointestinal side effects these medications can cause. For individuals who suffer from chronic back pain, turmeric can be a safer, long-term alternative to over-the-counter painkillers. Additionally, turmeric's antioxidant properties may help protect spinal structures from damage caused by oxidative stress, which can worsen back pain over time. Oxidative stress results from an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body and is linked to aging and tissue degeneration. By neutralizing free radicals, turmeric helps support the body's natural healing processes and may slow the progression of spinal deterioration. Turmeric is also known to support overall joint health and muscle recovery, making it beneficial not only for people with chronic back issues, but also for those recovering from injury or strain. It can help reduce muscle soreness and stiffness, enabling better flexibility and function. To gain the full benefits of turmeric for back pain relief, it's important to take it consistently and in the right form. Curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body on its own, but pairing it with black pepper, which contains piperine, can enhance absorption significantly. Turmeric supplements are widely available and often come with added piperine for this reason. In conclusion, turmeric offers a natural, effective, and safe alternative for managing back pain. With its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and joint-supporting properties, it can help reduce discomfort, improve mobility, and enhance quality of life for those dealing with back pain. Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.